just won't, to be sure.
Crew's must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vicaria. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Clear out. Clear out. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear a path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying,
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to cut him away.
Copy that. Give us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Get
Star Destroyers.
out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Too fast, you're gonna get a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Get out! Follow down to the right. Holy smokes.
And keep your units together at all times.
On red. How many? 4 on gray, 3 on orange, 4 gray, 3 orange. Now my ranks of colors you've just been given. There'll be presidents out of this cell behind me for you to stand off throughout your interrogation.
Go to the same colors you were already assigned to inside the cell.
Prisoners are secure.
Vivas,
Yes, General.
enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Don't move. Alright, don't need to worry. We're with the resistance. We're getting you guys out of here. Let's go. Everyone out. Blue your front and left hand side door here. Right. Let's go.
Aléscanse todos con sus cinturones de seguridad bien ajustados. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the triple lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Droid, you're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, there goes the prisoner.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on the enemy.
There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! If anyone's back in a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod just below us! What's going on? I'm set down! Up the real bag!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, stand for his pop beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!